I want to show you how to create a batch file which will run multiple programs from a batch file. The programs I want to be running are VLC Media Player, Vegas Pro and MSI Afterburner. So now you want to head over to search and then type in Notepad. Click on it. Now for the first line, we're going to type in @echo space off. Now what this does is that it does not show the commands that you run in CMD. So it basically just makes everything look clean and tidy. I will show you at the end of the video how it looks like when we have echo off compared to echo on. Echo on is usually on by default, so that's why I have to type in echo off. Now we're going to include the programs that we want to run. So for the first program, you want to click on enter, which will take you to the second line. And then you want to type in start, and then you want to find the exact program exe file name. So you want to right click on your program first, and then click on properties, and then it will show you in the target how it's called. So for me it's called vlc.exe. So I'm going to type in vlc.exe, which is for the first program. Now for the second program, you want to click on enter again. You want to make sure that all the programs are in a separate line. And now I'm going to do Vegas. So I'm going to type in start. And to get the exe file name of Vegas, you want to right click on Vegas or any application that you want, and then click on properties. And then on the target, it will show you that for me, it's called vegas180.exe. So I'm going to close this out. Then I'm going to type in vegas180.exe. And I'm going to repeat that for the next application. So I'm going to click on enter and then type in start. And now the third application for me is going to be MSI Afterburner. So again, I'm going to right click on it and then click on properties. And then I can see here that it's called MSI Afterburner.exe. So I'm just going to highlight it, Control C, and then paste it right here. And now I've got the 3 programs here. For this tutorial, I've only done 3 programs, but you can do as many programs as you want. Now to save this batch file, you want to click on File, and then click on Save As. Then you want to choose where you want to save it to. So I'm just going to select my desktop, and then you want to type in the file name. So for me personally, I'm just going to type in start, VLC, Vegas, and MSI Afterburner. And then at the end of the file, where it said .txt, you want to make sure that that's been deleted. And you want to type in .bat. So you want to make sure that at the end of your file name, it says .bat rather than .txt. So once you do that, you want to click on save. And now I have my batch file right here on my desktop. If you've done it correctly, it's going to look something like this with 2 gear icons. Now to run these 3 programs, just simply double click on your batch file, and then the programs are going to run. Now this is what it looks like when you have echo off, and this is for echo on. Now if you leave echo on and you have a lot of things running on your batch file, it could get really messy. So that's why people use echo off.